What is an embedded system? My name is Grady, I'm with Simply Embedded, and today I'm going to talk about the basics of embedded systems. So let's get started. Embedded system is a combination of hardware and software that's designed to do a specific function or functions. You may also think of an embedded system as a controller that's part of a larger design. Embedded systems are used to control many devices or certain parts of the devices that are in common use today, such as airplanes, medical equipment, household appliances, automobiles, cameras, TVs, the list goes on and on. Modern embedded systems are often based on microcontrollers, microprocessors, SoCs, or FPGAs. These are integrated circuits that are designed to carry out specific computations within the embedded system. Embedded systems work by taking in an analog or digital input. The input is then processed based on how the software of the system was configured. This will result in some sort of output. Some embedded systems may have a user interface, such as an optical mouse that takes pictures of the surface while you, the user, move the mouse. It stores the pictures in memory and compares them to determine XY locations, which are outputted to the general-purpose computer so that you would see the mouse movement on the screen. Even though an optical mouse is a peripheral to the general-purpose computer, the general-purpose computer itself isn't considered an embedded system because it is general. It is multifunctional, you can have many softwares on it, you can create other softwares on it, and that's why it's not an embedded system. Thank you so much guys for checking out this video. If you haven't done this yet, consider subscribing to my channel. What conceptual video about embedded systems would you like to see next? Leave your answer in the comment section below. If you want to see another video from Simply Embedded, click on the screen right here.